sarvadharman paritejya mamekam saranam vraja. The last concluding instruction of Krishna in Gita, he says, he pointed out this thing, he said this thing. This is pure love. When one can give up all dharmas, it includes Veda dharma, Vedic etiquette. Jati dharma, Kula dharma, Marjyada dharma, Lokalojya dharma. Do you understand my language? Huh? Understand? Vedic etiquette, Vedic barrier is there. Do you understand? One cannot translate. Lord Ram doesn't translate. Sita Devi cannot translate because they are Marjyada Pushpa. Very strictly keep up Marjyada, Veda Marjyada. But gopis, they kick it. You understand? They are housewives. They are housewives. But they kick it of this Veda Dharma, Vedic etiquette. Durjaya Gruha Srunkhala. Krishna himself has said, this family tie is very strong. It's very difficult to break this family tie. But you have broken for me. You have developed some love, selfless love for me. Pure love that you have broken. Impossible to break up the broke. This is question of pure selfless love. You understand? This is prema. This is prema. And Krishna is the only object of such prema. Yes, is Mahabharata. Dasa. And they do it. Why? Do you think they do all these things? They develop such love and broke up these principles of religion, Vedic religion, for their own happiness, own enjoyment. No, only for the happiness and enjoyment of Krishna, nothing for them. Selfless love. But we develop love for our own. Our love is not selfless love, isn't it? Acharyavan. It's selfish. Selfish, 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 selfish. Isn't it? No selfless love. But Mahaprabhu gives such love that is selfless love. It's for the pleasure, enjoyment of Krishna, nothing for oneself. That is Gopis Radha. This is prema. This is prema. So, this prema lila, the ras krida of the, understand my language? The gopis with Krishna is not kam krida. It's not based on lust. It's based on pure love, selfless love. One should understand it very well. I say prema is the fifth purusartha above this dharma, artha, kama, mukhya. Fifth purusartha.